The day I came across this talented actor, for me it was evident that he is here to do something big and different. The more and more I searched about him, with each and every new discovery about him made me wonder what a man he is. Not only just an actor but as a normal person too. I'm talking about one of the most talented and passionate actor, Vijay Deverakonda. Though his first big break into the film industry was Pelli Chupulu, but people started to recognize him more after Arjun Reddy. It was a turning point in the career of Vijay, and from that point he never looked back. After that he scored two hits with Taxiwala and Gita Govindam and became a star. And I think this is the main reason why many people hate him unnecessarily. I will come to this point later in the video. Dear comrade Nota, world famous lover, at this point of time Vijay is facing a complete fall in his career. The faster he set up to reach the top, the early he is facing downfall. Everything was fine for him before Dear Comrade, but everything for him started to change after the failure of Dear Comrade. Many to this point don't believe that a beautiful movie like Dear Comrade can be a disaster. I don't have to tell you the reason behind its failure, everyone already knows about it. I don't know why, but every time I see him on screen, it makes me feel happy. Not even his movies, but his interviews also attract me. Till now, I have watched 80% of his interviews, some of the Telugu interviews too, even though I don't understand the language. From the start only, I knew that he is going to make it big, but I never expected that he will rise this much this early. Maybe this is why a lot of people throw unnecessary hate towards him. Came from nowhere and became a phenomenon. Just leave his movies for a minute and talk about his personality in interviews. After watching his multiple interviews, I can say that he is one of the most intelligent and intellectual actors in India. He comes from a family where education is given too much importance, and for acting he left all and started from scratch with no hard support. Many would say his father had contacts in the industry, but it is not completely true. He just sent him to the acting classes, that's all. People tend to forget that he is an actor and you can criticize him on his acting and performance, but you have no right to comment on his personal life choices and decisions. I don't know why at the start of his career he got so much love and appreciation, but after scoring back to back hits, he started getting unnecessary hatred. Now, people are not criticizing him for his performance, people are criticizing him for being an actor. He is bold and sometimes gives bold statements on stages and interviews. This does not give you the right to make fun of him. You can be critical of him, but to make fun of someone's appearance and opinion is bad. Everyone can have different opinions. Before celebrity, they are humans too, and humans tend to make mistakes. If you have watched the video till here, then you might be thinking why I am taking his side. Am I a fan of him? The answer is no. I am not taking his side. I am just not okay about people trolling him without any reason. And he is one of the most talented Indian actors who has potential to break the records, not only in Telugu cinema but across India too. It is okay if you have a reason to troll him, but without any reason, it is not good. Vijay holds such talent that even big celebrities like Mahesh Babu and Allu Arjun support him. He has this capacity to make his name in Indian cinema. I just don't know why people are jealous of him. In the end, I just want to say that if you want to troll him, then please find the points on which you can really troll. Don't just spread unnecessary hatred. If someone is being offended by this video, I'm sorry, but these were my personal opinions. If you also feel the same, then please tell me in the comment section. Thank you, yours truly, my opinion.